website performance optimization. So we spoke about the initiation of a website project and how domains work, how the selection of a host provider contribute to digital CX. We spoke about URLs. Now we are going to have a look at the website performance optimization, as well as the availability of a website. These are the terms that you are going to come across. It's still the same terms of the previous lesson. So how does the reachability of web pages contribute to digital CX? Do you think reachability has anything that has to do with online customer experience?
Yes.
How?
The availability of a website is an indication of how easy it is for a user to connect to it. So depending on how accessible or reachable it is, it's indicative that it's easy for the user to get to it and use it.
Okay. Remember, when we're talking about reachability of web pages, we're not talking about a website, but a web pages within a website. So I get you, Razia. I've been on many e-commerce platforms online, and even websites such as magazines and stuff like that. You are reading something on the main page, or there's a product on the main page. When you click on it, they say it's not available. Have you come across that, guys?
Yes.
So those things, they do affect customer experience, because we want to find out more, but all of a sudden we cannot reach that page. So that's why the process of managing a website requires a marketing personnel, not an IT personnel. So would you then say the site navigation, is it linked to digital marketing or to IT? Guys, don't sleep yet. We're almost done, eh?
I would say it is linked to digital marketing.
But IT guys will know how to develop to So why are you saying digital marketing?
Because the ease of use wouldn't that be left up to the marketer to sort of determine, and then the IT guy just puts it into action?
That's correct. Obunolo, I can hear that you're snoring.
No.
I'm joking. I just wanted a response from you. All right. So, guys, why is it some brands, when you go to their social media account, they include their URL there, their website URL there? Why do they do that? Do you know?
I think they do that for customers or people to be able to see that they're authentic, or to also get customers to know more about their brand on the website.
Okay. All right. Thank you. So now let's have a look at the concept of website performance optimization. Website performance refers to the speed in which web pages are downloaded and displayed on the websites on the web browser. So it's how fast a page will load, be it on Chrome, be it on Mozilla, be it on Internet Explorer, you know. Website optimization is the process of using tools, advanced strategies, and experiments to improve the performance of a website. Further, to drive more traffic, increase convenience, and grow revenue. Imagine, guys, you are making a payment on a website. You have entered your details, your card details. All of a sudden, it's taking 5 hours to load. Have you been in that situation?
Yes.
And you know that you've got enough internet connection, you've got enough data, or your Wi-Fi is very strong. So those are the things that then influence how customers would relate with your brand. That's customer experience. One of the most critical aspects of website optimization is search engine optimization. The technique not only focuses on getting various pages of a website to rank high for specific keywords, but enables aspects to find a brand in the easiest possible manner. The other critical aspect is on-page optimization. So this one will be on individual pages, which ensures that the prospect that land on a page, on a website, that is the best user experience, compelling them to take desired action and convert into a lead. So it's very, very vital to know how fast your page loads and how fast the content on that individual page, especially the most engaging pages, load. By optimizing a website, brands can not only tap into an untapped market in the most effective and efficient manner without paying for advertising, but open doors to more conversion and revenue gains. So you have many people coming to your site because it's usable, it loads fast. You don't have to feel as if you are on a queue or something. Availability of the website. The availability of a website is an indication of how easy it is for a user to connect to it. I think many times, guys, you have been in instances where you are told that the site is not available at the moment, please try later. How would you feel when you come across, you want to apply for an online course at Boston Media House and they say that the site is not available?
So annoyed and frustrated.
And you rush to the competitors because their sites will be available. So that's how these frustrates digital marketing efforts. In theory, this figure should be 100%, but sometimes for technical reasons, such as failures in the server hardware or upgrades to software, can drop substantially. Nowadays, it's load shedding. Everyone, even when someone is in the bathroom, is in the toilet, everyone will hide under load shedding. How many times have you been frustrated when a site is down and not reachable? There are some brands that experience website overloads and crashes as a result of a lack of communication between the two departments. That's IT and what? And marketing. So most brands, for example, where I'm working, when you have got promotions, especially let's say there's Black Friday, you know that there's going to be website overloads. Many people are going to come there because there's Black Friday, you know. So be prepared for that so that the website does not crash. It has to be available despite the number of visitors that it is having per second. So to maintain good digital customer experience, brands are recommended to do the following. Define the peak visitor through throughput requirements for each customer journey on the site. For example, the site should be able to support at the same time approximately 10 checkout journeys per second or 30 add to basket journeys per second. Those are things that you can do so that it doesn't crash. You also need to have an SLA with a provider, a service level agreement on what needs to be done to support these things so that it does not crash. You need to set up a monitoring program that measures and reports the agreed journeys 24/7. So realize that most sites that engage with people on a second basis, I'm not talking a minute or an hour or an hourly basis, but a second. Like right now, someone is busy scrolling on Take-A-Lot website. Right now, someone is making a purchase on Take-A-Lot website. So you need to make sure that you've got a service level agreement with the providers. You've got people who are actually checking these things and seeing how these things are working. Otherwise, you frustrate a single customer, that customer is going to defect and switch. That's it, guys, about the availability of a website and website performance optimization. Any comments, any critiques, any additions or subtractions?
No.
No.
All right. In the next lecture, we'll just recap on everything that we've covered so far.